Hello everyone! So in this video I will show you how you can easily manage WordPress themes and plugins on your website. So the first step, to log in to the admin area. So this is the welcome screen of WordPress. So here on this screen we can manage the active theme. So to switch, we can go here on a different theme, then click on activate. As you can see, the 2023 theme was disabled and now we have the 2021 enabled, and you can see it in the front end. Okay, so now we have a new theme active. So to install a new theme, you can go here on appearance, themes, and add new. And here we have the theme directory of WordPress.org. So we have several options here. And we can also search for something here, example, travel. And here we can see the themes with this category, the travel category. And then we can download a new theme. Let's try with this one. Just click install. And once it's ready, we can just click on active. And now we have the new theme enabled, as we can see in the front end. Okay, so to install a custom theme, for instance, a theme that you download from an external website and not from the WordPress.org directory, you can go here on add new, and then click here on upload theme. And now you have an area where you can upload the zip file of your theme. In this case, let's upload this for the skills theme. And once the uploaded file is ready, you can click on active here. And now we have our custom theme enabled on our website. Okay, so just a quick note, all the themes from this screen, from add new. These themes are from the WordPress.org directory, so they are all free. Okay, so you can use any of these themes for free. But in a few cases, they can have some premium features. Okay, so let's go for plugins. For plugins, you need to go here, click on install plugins. In this screen, we can manage the active plugins, but in this case, as this is a new website, we don't have any plugin active. So to install a new plugin, let's click on add new. And it's the same. Here we can see the plugins available on the WordPress.org directory. In this case, let's search for the contact form 7 plugin. And then once you find the plugin, you can click on install. And once the plugin is ready, you can just click on active. Now we have the contact form 7 plugin enabled on our website. You can see that it adds a new area here. This new screen was added by the plugin we just installed. Okay, so let's go back to the plugin manage screen. Here we can deactivate the plugin. As you can see, we don't have the new area available anymore. And then if we click on activate, we have the contact form 7 area available here. And to install custom plugins, it's the same. You can click add new, click on upload plugin, and then we can send our zip file here. In this case, I will send the zip files of the Elementor plugin. Then click on install, and then click on activate. And that's it. We now have the Elementor plugin enabled on our website. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave in the comments, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.